welcome to Beauty Kitty Studios. I really wanted to show you guys these nails that I got from Walmart. They're by Paint Lab. They are a full kit, so you get, I believe this one was 24 sizes of nails, so it doesn't matter what size you are, you should be able to find your set. You get instructions, of course, and if you are super new to it, then they have their own website you can go to look for instructions from them. You get the alcohol wipe, you get liquid glue, you get cuticle stick, and you get a file. I'm going to start with just pretty basic nail prep with the items that they provide. I actually have already sort of done my cuticles, but I wanted to show you guys this. I usually use the tapered end of the cuticle stick to just very gently push back the cuticles. Try to, keep from damaging them. It's really easy to do, and we do have cuticles for a reason. They help to prevent infections, so, keeps things from getting underneath the nail. But gently pushing them back, you can help remove some of that extra tissue. It's basically like a layer of tissue. It's like a super fine, thin layer of skin almost that sits there and causes your fake nails to lift. And then I'm just going to file the sides of each nail to kind of clean them up a little bit. Especially, so they look better sidewall to sidewall. I like doing that, especially with like a French tip style nail like these. So my nails are actually shiny because I used a protective coat. I've been doing that lately. I like to leave that on. It's just the Sally Hansen nail strengthener that I like to leave on before I glue on my nails now. So I'm just going to very gently rough them up just up around the cuticles just to give it some texture for the glue to hold on to. This is going to help them to stay on for at least 3 days. I don't really want them to stay on longer. If you want your nails to stay on longer, buff them a little bit more, definitely around those cuticles. So your adhesive has more to hold on to and is less likely for oils and soaps and creams to get under there and break up your glue. And then finally, use the rubbing alcohol, clean around the whole nail and the cuticles and underneath to remove any natural oils and debris. These do not come with the double-sided sticky tabs, just the liquid glue, which is fine with me. I have used this brand and I have filmed this brand and I really like their glue. It is very clear and it stays clear and it holds on really well. So I actually do really like their glue. I do not like to do the glue on the back of the fake nail. A lot of people prefer to apply their nails that way. I personally like to just cover my real nail. Just helps me to have more control this way. And then I slowly at an angle press the fake nail down starting at the cuticle so I can slowly watch the glue kind of, if you can see it in that nail, I can slowly watch it to spread and make sure that my whole nail is covered. This way I don't get too much, you don't get it kind of pouring out the sides. But my middle fingers and my ring fingers are super crooked. So I always have to, at the end, flip them over and do sort of like a backfill with the glue. If you have like a gap in the nail, these are like super sculpted, for example, and my nails are kind of like an odd curve. They're also very crooked. So I have a big gap between my real nail and the fake nail. So I flip them backwards and just sort of very like gently backfill with some glue. And it just makes sure that it fills up the whole space so no waters and oils and soaps get in there and break them off easier. I really like the fit of these and they're very, very sturdy. So they don't break or chip or bend or crack. At least in my experience, I haven't had that happen. They're all numbers. So on the back of the nail, just like Kiss brand and Nails from Shein and other sets like that, there's a teeny tiny number, numerical number on the back that will tell you what size you need. For example, I'm a true size large. My thumb nail always needs a true 0. If they run bigger, I wear 1, but the 0 fit perfectly for me. And the middle finger, especially on my right hand here, is very, very crooked. I know it doesn't usually show up on camera, but this set, it definitely showed because these are so much more sculpted. So I have to be a little bit more careful how I apply it, but this one fit sidewall to sidewall still, so I'm very pleased with the fit. Like, if I go to, you can see it's like, where is that nail going? It's on a whole journey all on its own. Like, if I go, the very off chance I go to a salon and get like a set of acrylics and I don't tell them that that's crooked, they get so annoyed when they start to discover that and they're like, what is happening? But that's fine. I don't mind my nails going on different journeys as long as they still look pretty, which these nails are very pretty. Oh my gosh, I really like these. And with them, you could totally add like some bling or dress them up even more, like for the holidays especially. I'm going to keep them just that really pretty chrome shimmer red, but they are gorgeous. I definitely recommend these just for any time, but with holidays coming up, yeah, they're perfect in my opinion. And I do love me some red French tips. Perfect length, very comfortable length too. And they're great in different lighting. You can totally see that like super shine. They are beautiful. I definitely recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your support. If you like what you see, please click that subscribe button and follow me for more fun videos.